Okay, for challenge number 4, you're going to make a Google drawing. So make sure you click on the directions for your challenge and read through them before you start your work. So for this challenge, everybody has to make their own drawing, which means that each member of the team will find and open Google Drawings. There is no icon for Google Drawings on the shelf down here, so I'm going to click my search button, open all apps, and find Google Drawings right here. Once Google Drawings opens, I'm going to go back and read my directions. And in drawing, you're going to be creating a bumper sticker that represents you. So I'm going to title my drawing This is Mohammed's drawing, or I guess it's a bumper sticker, so I'm going to call it a bumper sticker. Okay, now I don't need to share it with anybody because I'm doing this on my own. So for this, I need to put my name in a text box, include a picture of myself by taking a selfie on the device, upload at least one image that shows a hobby, sport, book, or something else that you enjoy, and then sign your name. So we're going to start with the text box. To make a text box, you find the T here in the toolbar with the box around it. Once I click that, I get a little plus sign that pops up on the drawing pad. I'm going to draw out my text box, and I can start to typing. I'll get a cursor. I think I'm going to change my font, make it something fun, make it a little bit bigger, and go ahead and type my name. Once my name is there, I'm going to insert a picture of myself. To do that, I go to Insert and Image. And I have all of these different options. So to take a snapshot of yourself, you would click Take a Snapshot. Once you click that, you have the option to take your picture. Once you have your selfie in there, you're going to find a picture of something that represents a hobby, a sport, an interest, or something that you like. So again, I'm going to go to Insert Image. And this time I'm going to go to More and Search. And this allows me to search Google. And one thing that I really enjoy are the Hunger Games books. So I think I'm going to look for a picture of those. I'll pick that one. Select. That's pretty big, so I'm going to resize it. Move it around. And then you can play around with the font for your name, your selfie, and make your bumper sticker. The last thing you need to do is sign your name. In order to sign your name, you go up here to Select Line and click on the drop-down arrow. Click on the word Scribble, and you'll see that you get that option. Using your touchpad, you're going to go ahead and sign your name. And it should stay. I don't know why it's not staying. There it goes. All right. And once you are done signing your name, go back to your directions. You're going to need to insert your bumper sticker into the group slideshow. So to do that, we're going to go to File. So we're going to go back to Drawings. Go to File. Then Download As. And choose JPEG. That will automatically download right here. Then I'm going to go back to the slideshow. And as a group, you need to decide who's going to be on what numbered slide. So if I was in a group of 4, maybe I would be on slide. I would make a few more pictures, a few more slides. And maybe I'm going to be on slide 8. So I'm going to put my name at the top. And then I'm going to insert my drawing by going to Insert, Image. And this time, I'm going to upload a picture. I'm going to click this blue button in the middle that says Choose an Image to Upload. Once I get here, I have all of these options. I'm going to go down to Downloads because I just recently downloaded it. Or to Recent. Those are your 2 options. So here, I see there it is as a JPEG. Once I click on Recent, I'm going to highlight that and click Open. and that will upload my bumper sticker onto the slide. Resize it so that it fits. Go back to your directions to make sure you've done everything. Now click on the Google form. Enter your team name. And it says to copy and paste the link for your drawing below. So you're going to want to go back to your drawing and get a shareable link like you did for the other 3 challenges. So click on the share button, and in the upper right-hand corner, get shareable link. Make sure it's turned on for anyone at Woodland District 50. Copy the link by clicking the button. Go back to the form, Control V, and submit. This will take you to the link for your very last challenge.